In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most common sounds that make people angry. From honking horns to fingernails on a chalkboard, we'll dive into the science behind why these sounds can trigger such a strong emotional response. Have you ever experienced the frustration of trying to watch your favorite show, only to be interrupted by a loud, broken TV? It's one of the most common sounds that make people angry, and it's easy to see why. The constant buzzing and static can be incredibly irritating, and it's enough to make even the most patient person lose their cool. Another sound that's sure to make your blood boil is the honking of car horns. Whether you're trying to sleep at night or just trying to have a conversation, the sound of a blaring horn can be incredibly disruptive and annoying. And let's not forget the classic sound that everyone loves to hate. Fingernails on a chalkboard. This sound is so universally despised that it's been the subject of countless studies and experiments, all trying to understand why it has such a powerful effect on us. Dogs are often considered man's best friend, but their barking can be a major source of irritation for many people. Whether it's a neighbor's dog or your own furry friend, the constant yapping and barking can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to relax. And speaking of relaxation, there's nothing more stressful than a crying baby. Whether you're a parent or just a passenger on a plane, the sound of a baby's cries can be overwhelming and incredibly irritating. Last but not least, we have the sound of people chewing or smacking their lips. This sound can be incredibly gross and distracting, and it's one of the most common sounds that make people angry. So there you have it, folks, 6 of the most common sounds that make people angry. Which one of these sounds drives you up the wall? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.